Ishmeet, what you doing?
I'm coloring
You're coloring? Okay, what you making?
a monster.
Oh wow. So remember I told you there was a marker with Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Recently I just bought a GobiDex 7-in-1 multi-kit activity table set with 2 chairs and 100 pieces of large size blocks compatible with classic blocks, water table, sand table, building block table for toddlers activity. So today I'm going to unbox it, install it, and also I'm going to review this piece of table and chairs with some blocks included on it. And let me talk about the features of this item. This is the GobiDex Kids Activity Table Set 7-in-1 include compatible Duplo activity table, removable double side playboard, 2 chairs, 2 storage box, and 100-piece big building blocks compatible with Duplo building blocks. Kids can easily mix with their big building blocks. Double side playboards, one for blocks building, and comes with 100-piece big building blocks compatible with other big blocks. The other side can be used for kids tackling their homeworks, coloring a picture, eating a meal, or even working on a science experiment on it. After move out the board, it can be converted into a water table, sand table, anyways perfect for many activities. It's as simple as adjusting the table legs. Blocks table for toddlers will grow with your child all the ways up to 8 years old. Comes with 4 height table riser for adjust the height to adjust with the kids grow. So they have adjuster. You can adjust the table high or low according to your need. The design of the chairs conforms to the therapy is useful to cultivate the kids' upright sitting posture. The 2 chairs can fit under the toddler learning table when not used for better space efficiency. 7-in-1 toddler activity table will entertain kids for house as a learning table, building block table, and smooth general purpose activity table. Great for drawing and crafting, inspires immersive play as your kids splashes, build, and create. I use this table for if I remove the top of it and there is a kind of tray inside. I also use it for Play-Doh, playing with the Play-Doh, but you can put water toys and sand toy, whatever you like you can put on it, and 2 kids can play together. During the video I was confused about a bottle, what it is used for, but I can show you now. It is used for putting in the center so that you can give a good balance to the tabletop. I will show you right now. So this one goes in the middle here, there's a hole here. You can put it here like this, and then just put it here on top. Yeah, that's how it is. Ishmeet, what are you playing?
Play-Doh.
Play-Doh? You like it?
Yeah.
What are you making?
Play-Doh.
What are you making?
Cookies.
Cookie? Okay. Make it, then show me how you make it, okay? Alright? So you can see, now I took off the lid here. She already built some of this ball roller coaster. Now if you take out the lid, so the table looks like this, and you can put some toy. Now she's playing Play-Doh. You can put water toy, you can put sand toy, anything. And now you see this table is kind of very like colorful, and it matches with my room like this. It's also rainbow. Everything is like multicolor here. So this looks pretty good, if you can see here like this. So it's all good, and that's how it is. So I'm going to unbox it and also install it. Let's go and see what's inside. Tabletop here, and legs for the table, 1, 2, 3, 4, and for the chair, and some leg bolts here. This looks like a chair. Okay, so install all these and see how it is. So according to the instruction, we have to screw all the tables, the legs of the tables first, and then the chairs after that the chairs. I separated the table part and the chairs part so that it's easy to install. So let's build the table first. So the table is ready now, you can see, and this is the tabletop. So here you can build the blocks, and if you flip it, this is the flat table. So the table is ready. Yeah. Alright, so we are going to make a chair now. So the chair has 6 parts. The back of the chair, the base, and 4 legs. So it's very easy to install. I'm going to install right now. So there is a kind of, you see here a clip, you have to match with the impression over here. And then first you slide it in and then just roll it a little bit. Base is ready, and just you have to, this is the back, just put it down. Yeah, so this is ready. So same way you have to do another chairs, and this is all the Lego, and I see this is for hanging it over here, so that hanging on the table like this, so you can put some Legos here. And so one chair and table is ready. Here we go. And then you flip it as a flat table. So next time I have to do is I'm going to review it and see how it works, and then I will let you know. Okay, now I also see these 4 bars like that. So if you want to increase the height of the table, you can adjust this on the legs of the table, and it can go a little higher. And these are the foam stickers, so you have to put this under the chairs and table. Like this is one of the stickers like that. So this is for table, and these round ones are for the chairs, so that it will be like non-slip, which is very good feature. And this, if you see here, is the instruction for the blocks, so that you can play with that. And I don't know what this bottle is for. It has one hole on it. I think this is for the water. If you want to play with the water, it can help you. And I see one pen over here too. It's also included a marker like that. And see, now the table and the chair is ready. So you can see these trays, you can put extra toy on it, or if you are doing some work, whatever you want, you can put on it. And we made a ball coaster here for the ball. You see these balls, you have to like snap that. It comes in 2 parts, you have to snap it in. So if you want to play here, just put the ball here like this and see how it is going. So you can make anything like this and enjoy. There is a flag over here, and if you flip this one, then you can make a work table for that, for your kid. So you can see here, it looks pretty good to me, and I will now put this in my kid's room, and I will see how she enjoys this one. So far for me, it looks pretty good. Let me sit down here and see if it takes my weight here. Yeah, so I think any adult can also sit here to accompany the child. It's taking weight, but it's kind of really small here. If you can sit, it's fine. Or 2 children can at least sit down here. Alright. And if you're new about me, so consider subscribing, because I do product review just I'm doing right now. Whatever you need in your house, I search it very well, and then I try the best item for me. And I hope this can also help you, because I buy after a search, and with the good price and the quality of the product and multi-purpose products. that I will bring to you. And also I go for tour or go anywhere, or I find very funny, nice videos I would like to share with you. Please check my channel to see some of the videos I put. I will keep more and more putting more and more videos like that. And again, let's go and see how this product works. Thank you very much. Ishmeet, what you doing?
I'm coloring
You're coloring? Okay, what you making?
a monster.
Oh wow. So remember I told you there was a marker with this table. So if you flip the table, it is flat like this, and even you can use the marker as you're using it, and you can use dry erase marker and you can erase it. So and you can see two kids can sit there because I put one frame over there that's for drawing too. It's a drawing toy, magnetic. So you can do that way too. So it's good for two kids, looks like. See here. This item I bought for $75, but I see I find sometime it goes $60 on sale. So keep on watching this product, and it's very useful for me, for children up to 8 years of old, and if you need multi-purpose activities on it, it's very good. I would recommend this product for sure.